Hey folks, Timothy Thomas here. In this video, we're going to talk about wealth step by step, and we're going to talk about the pay plan. Folks, you got to stay tuned. This is one of the most exciting videos that you've seen in a long time, and I could not be more excited about this program. We'll talk about it on the other side. Hey folks, Timothy Thomas here. I am super excited and elated to talk to you about a program that we found called Wealth Step by Step. Jose introduced me to this program, and we're going to talk about this thing. We're going to talk about the pay plan. That's what we're going to focus on today. I'm going to do several videos about it, and we're going to talk about it. Now, one thing that I am very excited about, guys, before we dive into Wealth Step by Step, I am about multiple streams of income, helping people find financial freedom. You know, creating the income, the lifestyle that you want to have, go where you want to go, do what you want to do, as long as you would like to. So I could not be more excited about what we've got going on. These are some exciting times. And when you get a chance, folks, I want you to come check the channel out. I've got several opportunities. I'm in about maybe 6 opportunities, maybe 7. And every one of them are working. Every single one of them. If it's on this channel, it works. If it's not working, I'll take it down. People ask me all the time, Timothy, have you done a video on this, that, and the other? But all the programs are working. All cylinders are blasting, and we're moving forward. It's like a Walmart or a Costco. Have you ever been to a Walmart? They only had one item for sale. Well, if you keep selling just that one item, we'll find out how long we're in business. But when you have multiple streams of income, that's what I teach people. In these videos, guys, we talk about residual income, instant pay programs, big ticket wealth, things like that. And I love getting the big ticket programs where we get $100 per sign up, or $500 per sign up, $1,000 per sign up, $1,500, $3,500 per sign up. Those are what we call quick money paydays and fast paydays. We're very excited about those. At the same time, we want to also build alongside that residual income, like the Millionaire Mailer. That thing's continuing. It's been creating income for us for 7 years now, going on 8 years. Mary Beth, Reverend Wilson, Sam Randall, they receive payments on a weekly basis in that program, and it's still continuing to work. And 98 Unlimited, guys, check out some of these great programs. We even got a crypto bot that's working. Very excited about that. I'm piling money into that. It's not money that I need tomorrow, but I'm putting money into cryptocurrencies, and this bot's trading it for me. I'm not looking at charts all day. I do look at charts, but anyway, let me go from there. Oh, the Mega Cash Machine, guys, flyer. This thing is rocking. All these programs are just fantastic. The Cash Cow, the 25K Madness. I could not be more excited about them. But in this video, we're going to dedicate this video to talk about Wealth Step by Step, the compensation plan, the 3x10 force matrix. I've been looking for something like this. What is going to make this Wealth Step by Step so exciting? This pay plan right here, let me show you. This force matrix, what's going to make this so exciting is that the opportunity for us to help other people, to grow a team that potentially could offer some spillover to some of the first people. Folks, I only got like 1 person signed up as of this video. But when I start putting people in it and building the mass, I'm going to sit up and talk about it. I'm going to mail postcards. Folks, I had a box of postcards delivered to my home. Folks, we've got a proven postcard. How we're going to build this team. Anybody can build a postcard. We are going to build it through postcard marketing. And for those of y'all that want to get involved with that, and we're going to also talk about email marketing, but we'll talk about that later. But we want to get everybody that can into our postcard marketing opportunity to promote wealth step by step. We're going to show you how to do it. But today we're going to talk briefly about the postcard system. We're going to talk about the matrix. Major announcement. This is a major announcement with Wealth Step by Step. And the product, guys, let me before I go into this pay plan, you can click onto the website here, on my website. This is our product. This is the product we're promoting. probiotics. Guys, it's a supplement. As a supplement, and get started, folks, for as little as $25, $5 for shipping and handling. And you can get started. I'm going to use this as a dietary supplement. I'm going to get on it. It's here are all the vitamins, all the information. Of course, folks, I am not a doctor, nor do I recommend any kind of medical things. But what I do know a pay plan. I do know how to read these what's inside of this probiotics. Looks fantastic. I am going to try it myself and see what happens. I am looking to increase my health with this great product. It says probiotics are live bacteria that are good for your health, especially your digestive system. We usually think about bacteria as something that causes diseases, but the body is full of bacteria, good and bad. Probiotics are often called good bacteria that can help keep your gut healthy. Folks, this could be a way that I'm going to use to maybe lose a few pounds, maybe lose to get healthier. So I'll talk about this product more in detail in another video. Today we're going to be focusing on a pay plan, the 3x10 force matrix, when you get 3 people up under you and then it starts spilling over. Folks, we can potentially build this down to 3 levels that you can potentially make up to $300,000 per month in a full matrix. Folks, this is incredible. Only $30 to get started. It's a quick forced fill matrix, so everybody is helping the team. Everybody's working together in unison to get to the achievable goal. No sponsor qualification required in order to get paid. Earn up to $13,116 per month as your team grows through our direct mail postcard system. Guys, we've got it figured out. You join, we've got a proven postcard system that can promote this business, do the selling, the telling, the explaining for you, so you never have to. Go to the website here. I will put the link below the video. Don't miss out on this one. Folks, this is something special. We oftentimes, once in a quarter, get something this special, but I think this is going to be a great long-term wealth strategy. I was telling Jose, my sponsor, folks, that this time next year, we can help so many people potentially be at 5 figures this July 4th of next year. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but as they get wealthier faster than what you're currently doing. We can build this thing beyond our wildest imagination because you're going to get help from the other folks with the spillover and this, that, especially first movers advantage. Let me show you this thing. Link below the video. Check out the pay plan. Here's the pay plan overview. You can get started for as low as $25. This is the lowest in the industry. Huge $4 commission of everybody's in your downline. You get a 3x10 force matrix creating teamwork. Can earn up to $354,000 a month. Folks, could we get there? Jose said if 90% in the industry was to fail, folks, what if we get 10% of that? Could $30,000 a month help you out? Our goal, and step by step, is to put together something that can reach any person that has a desire to achieve financial freedom. We have a straightforward, powerful compensation plan. Folks, plus, we have a plan that rather work 40 hours to escape the rat race. We got something different. Work just a few years, working 2 to 4 hours a week. Can you put 2 years in this thing to get over $100,000 per month? I mean, folks, we're gonna scale this thing beyond our wildest. We're gonna throw postcards at this thing unlike you've ever seen. The pay plan, our goal in wealth step by step, is to help people with a small amount of money build a huge empire. However, joining a matrix, a force fill matrix in phase 2. When you purchase the other, you upgrade it and start purchasing 2 products. Folks, this thing is exciting. When you reach $250 a month, you can use those profits to upgrade into the phase 2. Folks, look at phase 1. Level 1, 3 people, 3 accounts, you got $12 monthly. Level 2, $48 with 9 people. Level 3, You got $156. Folks, we can help you get there. We can help you get to the 4th level. All the way through. Look at what you're doing, guys. With just 81 people, less than 100 people, you're at about $500 per month. And look what happens, guys, when you start getting into level 5 with 900 accounts. You start exponentially. Your income starts to literally explode past level 4. 900 people involved. You're talking about $1,452 per month. We can build it. Folks, there are 47,000 people in my county. 47,000. You're talking about only getting 8,000 people and you're at $13,000 per month. When you get a chance, you look at this is one of the best matrices that I have ever seen. When you understand the power of this matrix, you won't be able to sleep tonight. Well, step by step uses a 3x10 matrix because it creates the most teamwork. After you enroll your first 3 business associates, your first level is full. Now, every person that's rolled after that is called spillover. Falls underneath the first of the 3 business associates to help them out. This creates teamwork unlike any other pay plan in the industry. And folks, the spillover works down through the 3rd, the 4th, the 5th level. Everybody knows how that works. That's incredible. This is the time that you can get involved in the network. Remember the old days of network marketing, bugging your family and friends? Folks, we've got proven mailing lists that people that want to have a business, people that want to grow their income, we've got a proven system. You mail a postcard. Let me show you what the postcard looks like. Link below the video. Let's go over here. We've got marketing tools. We've got 4x6 postcards, 5x7 postcards. Those of y'all that have already joined, guys, go ahead and order your postcards. And we've got mailing list suppliers. And we have a promotional flyer. Look at this. Here's the postcard that we're mailing. That is powerful. Get a hold of Greg. You can call him on the phone. Get him your website information. Fill this thing out. If you have any questions, here's his phone number. Call Greg right now. And he will help you get your postcards ordered if you have any questions. Here are the prices. This is amazing to me, folks. If you have any questions, call me if you need any help ordering postcards. All you do is get a GoDaddy name, a GoDaddy website. Join with Chris, something easy that people can remember. It will go on your postcard. It will go, people will go to the main website, and then it will direct them to your lead capture page, what will take them to your website that looks like this. And this is how people will sign up right there. Because your domain name will be on your postcard. Guys, this is exciting. All you do is get a domain name, put it on the postcard, on the form, or call Greg, tell him that, hey, this is my domain name, give him your information. You're off to the races. Folks, this is exciting. Here is 5x7 postcard. These are 2 different postcards. I'm going to, my next video, I got a box of them in there. I am going to open up the box of postcards. Let you take a look at it. Folks, this is exciting. We're going to get ready to get rocking. Postcards are hitting out. I think Jose done his first mailing. And we've got a certain strategy that we're going to be mailing. Just get it out to people. I'm just going to put the stamp on some of them and mail them. I'm going to put some of them in envelopes. There's no right or wrong way. The main thing to do is just mail and put the opportunity in front of people. This presentation is going to do the selling, going to do the telling for you. You never really have to talk. What we're experiencing, people on our team are signing up people left and right, and they're not even talking to the individuals that are signing up. It is just that simple. All right, folks, I'm going to get off the video. Hope you have a wonderful day, weekend. Wealth step by step. We are getting ready to go. When you get a chance, guys, come back, relook at this pay plan, and let's see what we can do. You don't have to do this by yourself. You're in business for yourself, but you're not by yourself. You got a whole team of upline folks helping you to get to your achievable goals. Folks, I hope you have a wonderful day. Again, bye for now. Until the next video.